Ever wondered how huge ships or even small boats manage to travel through canals with changing elevations? Today, we're diving into the simple yet ingenious mechanics of canal locks. Canal locks are a crucial part of navigable waterways, allowing vessels to safely move between two different water levels. They are truly feats of engineering. A canal lock is essentially a sealed chamber used to raise or lower boats by changing the water level inside it. Its primary purpose is to overcome differences in ground elevation along the canal route. Every lock consists of three main components: a watertight chamber, gates at both ends to seal the chamber, and valves or sluices to manage the flow of water in and out. Let's first trace the path of a boat moving upstream, from a lower water level to a higher one. The process begins when the boat approaches and the lower lock gates open. The boat carefully motors into the empty lock chamber. Once the boat is securely positioned, the lower gate is closed behind it, creating a sealed watertight environment. Next, valves are opened in the upstream gates, or sometimes in the chamber walls, allowing water from the higher canal to flow into the lock. As the water rushes in, the water level inside the chamber rises, gently lifting the boat until it matches the level of the upper canal. The flow continues until the water levels inside the lock and in the upper canal are fully equalized. With the water levels matching, the upper gate can now safely open, allowing the boat to exit the lock and continue its journey upstream. Now, let's reverse the process for a boat traveling downstream, from the higher water level to the lower one. The downstream journey starts with the upper gate open. The boat enters the lock chamber from the high canal side. Once inside, the upper gate is closed and sealed, isolating the boat and the water in the chamber. The crew or lock operator then opens the valves located in the lower gate or surrounding walls, allowing the water to drain out of the chamber and into the lower canal. As the water level drops, the boat gently descends until it reaches the level of the downstream canal. The drainage stops once the water level in the lock equalizes with the water level in the lower canal. Finally, the lower gate opens and the boat can exit the lock, continuing its journey downstream. That's the fundamental principle behind canal locks, a simple, gravity-powered system that makes navigation across different elevations possible. Locks manage elevation changes efficiently by temporarily holding a volume of water and raising or lowering the vessel within that isolated space, without the need for massive pumping. From the Panama Canal to smaller local waterways, canal locks are a testament to human ingenuity, keeping trade and travel flowing seamlessly across the globe.